In this example, we're going to simplify a complex rational expression. This complex rational expression includes rational expressions within the numerator and within the denominator. To simplify, I'm going to multiply by the least common multiple of all the denominators that are included within the complex rational expression. The denominators inside of the expression are x squared and x. The least common multiple of x squared and x is x squared. I will multiply the numerator by x squared, and I will multiply the denominator by x squared. Essentially, I'm multiplying the entire fraction then by 1. Now, that looks like 1 minus 1 over x squared times x squared over 1 minus 1 over x times x squared. I use the distributive property and I multiply 1 times x squared minus 1 over x squared times x squared in the denominator. I multiply 1 times x squared minus 1 over x times x squared. Now I can perform those multiplications. 1 times x squared is x squared minus 1 over x squared times x squared is 1. 1 times x squared is x squared minus 1 over x times x squared is x. Now I can factor in order to simplify. I factor the numerator, which is a difference of squares, as x plus 1 times x minus 1. The denominator has a common factor of x, so I factor out an x. That's x times x minus 1. Now that the numerator and the denominator are factored, I look for common factors. X plus 1 is a factor of the numerator and a factor of the denominator. So I can cancel or remove a factor of 1, and I'm left with the simplified form x plus 1 over x.